Student, today I am going to explain you chapter number 4, simple equations. Today we are going to understand what are simple equations. But before starting equations, we have to know the previous things like variables, constant and expressions. So chapter number 12 has been given and you have already learned these things, but today we have to revise again to understand the equations properly. For example, first of all we have to start from variables. What are variables? A symbol which takes different numerical values is known as variables. Its value is not fixed. Variables are denoted by the letters xyz like this. After that, constant has been given. What are constant? A symbol having fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 4, minus 9, 25, 80, 110, etc. are constant. We have given algebraic expressions. What are algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions are formed from variables and constant connected by any or all are the four fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now I will make you more clear. Suppose that first of all I will take variables. As you have understood, variables don't have fixed value, not fixed value. Suppose that a plus 5 is equal to 10. So what can be replaced? A is equal to, suppose that I will take a is equal to 5, then 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So you can see the value of a is 5. Again a plus 10 is equal to 17. What could be the value of a if we take a is equal to 7? Now solving this, 7 plus 10 is equal to 17. So you can see the value of a become 5 and value of a become here 7. So when the equations are different, the value of a also become different and a is called variables. So in this way we understood that variables have changing values, means not fixed value. Now moving to the constant. Constant means any symbol which have fixed value. Constant means fixed value. Suppose that if I draw a symbol, this is a triangle. How many triangle? 1, 2 triangles, 3 triangles. I mean to say that if 1, 2, 3 they have the same value, they never going to change. Some example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So you can see the value of 1 and the other constant are fixed, they are not going to change. Now moving to the equations. What are equations? An equations is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variables have equal value. In an equation there is always an equality sign. So you can see this is called equality sign. X minus 5 is equal to 2. This is called equality sign. This is called equality sign. So what we have understood, equality sign, both side we have the expressions like 3x plus 2, equality sign, and 11. So left hand side and right hand side value are same. What you have to remember, there is always an equality sign in an equation. The equality sign shows that the value of the expression on left hand side is equal to the value of the expression on right hand side. At least one or two expressions, left hand side or right hand side, must contain a variable. It means if there is not variable, it cannot shade an equation. An equation remains the same when expressions on the left side and right side are interchanged. For example, I show you 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. It is not an equation. Not an equation. An equation must have an equation must have at least a variable. Example, 3 plus x is equal to 10, like this way. So here is a variable, so this is called equation. This is called left hand side, and this part is called right hand side. Okay, so I hope you have understood these things. Later I will give you some more videos related to the topic wise. Thank you, students.